we can add this goodies into it. And our tapioca pearls vermicelli Kheer is ready. Look at that. Hello, welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. I am making a sweet dish today. I already made one version of it. This is another way. I'm just roasting cashew nuts first. This is a milk here. First I had some clarified butter and I'm roasting these cashews in that ghee first. Nuts is getting toasted, I can see. I'm adding almost same amount of cashews, raisins in it. These are California golden raisins, or you can buy the Indian golden raisins. Once these raisins become like a little ball, that's when we take it out. Okay. Into the same pan, I'm roasting half a cup of the tapioca pearls. Need a little more ghee. Into that, I'm adding half a cup of vermicelli, which is already toasted. So I'm just mixing it. The stove is turned off. So the quantity is 1 cup altogether. For this, we are going to use 3 cups of boiled milk. I'm going to use 2 cardamoms in it. I'm going to powder these 2 cardamoms for flavor. That's what I'm going to do. Once this is kind of roasted now, I'm going to add some water and boil it. Going to add 1 cup of water. Because anyway, we are adding 3 cups of milk. I'm already boiling it. Let it cook. Meantime, I will powder this one and I will come back. I have the milk boiling in the milk boiler. I'm turning it off and I will add the whole thing into that once it is cooked here. This is cooked, almost cooked. The tapioca corns become translucent now. That means it's cooked. Once it starts cooking, it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to transfer this because this pan was hot, so that's why I just added water and cook it in it. Because now we don't have too much cooking. We'll mix everything together now. I already boiled the milk in the milk cooker. So I am going to add this into that. So now we have to add the sugar into it. For the sugar, I'm going to add condensed milk. 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, and 4. 1/4 cup of condensed milk into that. Let me taste and see the sweetness of it. Yeah, actually it needs a little more sugar. So I'm adding more of the condensed milk in it. Sorry about that sound. It is I am adding another tablespoon. So it is altogether 5 tablespoons of condensed milk in it. Let the condensed milk melt in it, the hot milk, and then this is good creamy taste, enough sweetness for us. I'm going to add the cardamom now. Just mixing the milk is already boiled, so I'm not working too much on that. Now let me add the cardamom powder. I have the freshly ground cardamom, and finally all this goes in. I already switched off the stove. Once it cools down, it will be a little more thick, uh, so it will turn like thick. So now it's very loose cure, so I'm just leaving it, and I don't want to uh, cook anymore. We can add this goodies into it. And our tapioca pearls vermicelli here is ready. Look at that. Hey, thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments, let me know. Write it down there. And you know what to do. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching again. We will see you in another good recipe like this.